Good evening, my friend. Today, we all know that we all are suffering from a pain and hardships of a COVID 19. There are thousands and there are lakhs of people who have lost their life due to this deadly disease, and thousands of the and crores of the people are still struggling to survive from this disease. It is very great to see that how some frontline frontline corona warriors, or you can say that yodhas, how they are struggling and how they are doing their efforts to save us, to protect us from this virus. We all know that today, with the help of our doctors and medical teams and different frontline workers in our country, they all are doing the same thing. They are just protecting us from a coronavirus since 1 year. But it is also our responsibility to protect ourselves from this disease, because it is rightly said that God always helps those who helps themselves. If you don't take any precaution in to protect yourself from this disease, then how the frontline warriors, how other people can help you from this disease? We all know that thousands of the people has lost their life due to this disease, due to negligence, because they did not pay any attention to this disease. But it is a time that we should have warmed ourselves, so that we can fight with this disease. The first and most important thing that should be noted, that in this disease we have seen that people are not able to breathe properly. It is because their oxygen levels fall below 90. Because it is been said that a normal person should have oxygen level at 95 to 98, or you can say that above 90. But if you are suffering from this disease, you may feel a shortage of breathness. You may not able to breathe properly. Your oxygen level suddenly falls below 90. At this stage, your liver at this stage, this virus very rapidly attacks your liver, your kidneys. You will not able to breathe properly in that time. And if you don't hospitalize at the right time, if you don't take oxygen at the right time, then you may be fall to a death. So you can concern that you can see that how serious this epidemic is. There is no proper prediction that is being made by the expert that how long we have to face this. But it is very right that if we take the proper precautions, then we can definitely save, and when we can definitely defeat this coronavirus disease. So we all know that should be precautions that should be taken at this time. It is very necessary. It is necessary to wear a mask, because I have seen that people are not wearing mask in a proper way. That should not be happen again, because it has been heard, it has been seen that the germs of this virus are also in the air. So you should take proper precaution for this. The second is, always keep a bottle of sanitizer in your hand. If you touch any surface, if you touch any object, then don't forget to wash your hand, or put a sanitizer into your hand. Third most important thing, that start if you are at this time, most of the people are at home, so they have a most of the time to care themselves. So they should start practicing yogas, different asanas of yogas, and with this time also, he should also try to he should also try to increase his oxygen level. It has been also seen that proper vaccinations is being given by the government of India to different peoples. At this time, there are many states who are also who are also started vaccination of above 18 citizens of India. So don't take it very lightly. Get registered yourself and take vaccination on the time. And it is very important to maintain a 2 feet distance from every person, because you cannot imagine whether other person has coronavirus or not. So you should take a 2 feet distance from every person, because it has been also seen that there are many symptoms in this coronavirus disease that cannot be easily be detected. Some people say that they have a mild fever at the starting. Some people say that they are not taking able to breathe properly. So, and whatever you are feeling, if you are not feeling well, then please have a proper checkup of your body, because we don't know that where this virus came from and how it can be entered into our body. So lastly, I want to convey very important thing, that you all know that there are soldiers who are who have been protecting ourselves from the enemy. They have been standing in a very extreme weather climate in Ladakh in Jammu Kashmir to save us from any terrorist attack. So it is very important for us that we should also take this responsibility, not only to protect, not only to save ourselves, but also to save the others people. Just like me, spread this message to a large number of people in an influential manner, so that you may become a part of the warriors of this coronavirus disease. And lastly, be take care of yourself, because life is very precious. Thank you.